In short, what we do is we put large sets of data, you might consider big data, into some geographic context. Good map tells a good story. And what we try to do is tell unique stories with the data that is geographically connected.
I've been a big fan of geography my whole life. So being able to use that and taking data to analyze different areas and seeing a lot of different places around the world in different aspects and views, it's really eye-opening. It helps kind of understand the world.
Being able to work with others around you, being able to, solve a problem with others is like helpful. So I like how sometimes it proposes a good challenge that we all can face together.
Definitely flying the drones is probably my favorite part. We'll do competitions in different drone flights, and then sometimes we'll go outside and actually take pictures of actual real-world problems, showing us what we can do with this in real life. We have to learn how to keep the drone steady and controlled, but also go at a fast pace. So it makes it fun, but it also teaches us control over the drone. The software, the programs, ArcMap, ArcGIS, ArcPro, all of them combined. It's just a lot of stuff it's a lot of high-tech stuff that professionals use, and we can use it in high school, and that's pretty cool.
I think this is a good class to take just because it gives you a lot of background on everyday items that you didn't really know, how it's used, like ways and directions and stuff like that. It's really good with problem solving, and it's a really good baseline for a job.